So hey guys, welcome back to Being CA. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to apply for exam form. So let's get begin. So firstly go to icaiexam.icai.org. Link will also be available in the description so you can go directly. So first of all go to login, enter your login ID and password and click on login. After that, your dashboard will be open. Now click on apply online for your exam. So now click on apply now. Now your information is pre-filled, so recheck it. Now click on save details, click on OK. Now your exam application form will be open. Your registration number is automatically filled. Select for medium opted, English, और अगर आप हिंदी में एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं then हिंदी. Exam applied, intermediate, group 1, group 2, foundation, final. So select likewise. Now select region of your examination center, which will be northern region, southern region, western region, eastern region, central region or abroad. Name of examination center. Now choose your examination center. Mainly your city name will be there. So now there is option of conversion or registration. So if you have converted into the course, then click on converted, or if you have directly registered to the course, then click on registered. Now select the registration date, the date on which you have registered. Maybe it will be single group or both group. Now enter your PIN. There will be a 4-digit PIN which will be used at the time of result for checking the result. Now you have to enter the exam passed. So if you are from foundation, then click on foundation. If you are from direct entry, then direct entry, CPT or P, then CPT or P. Select the month of entry, select the year of entry and your roll number of foundation, P, CPT, etc. Now you have to enter the detail for determining eligibility. So how you registered to CA intermediate after what you have passed. So select that, such as foundation, CPT or entrance or P. If you have converted, then converted. If you have from direct entry, then from direct entry. Select the option likewise. So if you are partial intermediate passed, then click on any one option, or if you have scored any exemption, then click on the exemption. So many of you are asking for exemption, so just click on the left box, tick box, which you have given exam. Enter the roll number of the exam and enter your marks in which you have get exemption, such as paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So आपको जिसमें भी exemption मिली है उसी में अपने उतने ही marks डाल दीजिए. So your exemption will be more than 60 marks. So in the paper which you have scored more than 60, write your marks. Now click on I agree and then save and preview. Now preview your all information carefully. If you have done any mistake, then go back, or if you have done it correctly, then click on I agree and then final submit. Click on OK. So here there will be payment, so make payment. So there are various options: Paytm, debit card, credit card, UPI, etc. So enter as per your convenience. After making payment, take a screenshot of it and download the PDF. So that's all for today guys. Meet you in another video. Till then, subscribe to Being CA. If you have any more query, you can ask us on Instagram or in the comment section. Thank you.